Hey y'all, it's Chuka the Barber. I'm here with another video. We're gonna get right into this. I'm gonna shampoo and condition his hair. Today I'm giving him a mid-fade. We're gonna hook him up with a fade. He has a man bun on top. I think that's what you call these. So I'm not gonna touch that, but we are gonna shampoo and condition the sides to make sure I got a clean canvas. So we're gonna do that, hitting him with the Pro Rich collection, the shampoo conditioner. It's a natural DHT blocking formula that helps promote healthy hair, heals the scalp, and just overall has an amazing scent and does many things for the hair and scalp. All right, so real quick, we're gonna blow dry it. And first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my Wall Legends, and I have a 1 1/2 guard on, and we're gonna just lay down in here, trim it up, start prepping it for the fade. So we're just going with the grain and laying the hair down. We're gonna hit the front too. And if I feel like I wanna take it down a little more, I'm gonna close the lever, follow up behind my previous work until I get to the length that I want and I'm comfortable with. Now make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to comment, give me some feedback, let me know what y'all think about the videos. Let me know if y'all would wanna see any other type of content. All right, so right now I got a 1/8 guard on, and I'm laying down the hair a little more. And a good way to really trim the hair and prep the hair is to start with longer guards, you know, run through the whole thing, and then double back with a shorter guard and run through it again if you feel like you want to take it a little lower. But gradually doing it allows you to you know, keep from over trimming it and taking off too much hair, and it allows you to get familiar with the hair. So it's good to do that, especially if it's the first time cutting somebody, just like it is with me cutting this model right here. So right after that, I'm gonna take the wall detailers, put in my first guideline. Follow that all the way around, connect it to the other side. Location, we're in LA, West Hollywood. Make sure to pull up here if you want to get fresh. And if you in the city, and if you're in Sacramento, got a couple locations there right there on J Street, 25th and J. Make sure to pull up there. Now once I fully got my initial guideline in, I'm going to follow up with the foil shavers, and we're going to just fully skin them out. Now before I get into my fade, I always like to hit the line up first. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit it with some enhanced hold spray. I'm gonna hit that around the line, let that dry up, and then hit the hairline. Then we'll go back to the fade, and I'm gonna take the initial guideline up a little bit with my wall detailers. That way I can make sure I completely get that initial guideline out. So it's good to give yourself space, you know, keep the initial guideline low so that you can, you know, hit it with the foil shavers, then follow back again with the trimmers and take it up a little more, and you still got plenty of space to blend out the fade. All right, so now I'm gonna take the Wall Legends, and I'm gonna close the lever all the way and start blending that upwards, removing my previous guideline, creating a new guideline. Now with these Wall Legends, I do switch the blade, so I don't work with the actual blade that comes on it, which I believe is the crunch blade. I switch it out to a regular standard blade, the 5-star standard blade. I prefer that. Now we'll take another guideline up a little more. After we adjusted the lever, we'll take it up slightly a little more, watching our blend come together. Create a new guideline, and then making an adjustment, and then creating a new one. Once we're finished blending it out with no guard, we'll throw on a 1/16. Open up the lever all the way, take the fade up a little more. And this time we'll do it a little more than we do with no guard. And then I'll follow up behind that, blend downward, close the lever halfway, blend below that last guideline, and then fully close it, and then blend below that last guideline. And then what that will do is take the lower part of the fade that I did with no guard. It'll blend that into the 1/16 pretty much automatically. And if you need to, follow up with some cleanup work, you can do that. But after I'm done with that, I'll throw 1/8 guard on, open up the lever all the way, just like I did with the 1/16, and I'll take that all the way up. Not all the way up, but I'll take it up close to the crown area. Again, watching my blend come together, paying attention to it. And then I'm gonna close the lever and follow up behind that last blend. And then I'm gonna fully close the lever and then follow up behind that last blend, blending my way down. And this should create the clean transition throughout the fade. Now, once we're done with that, we'll throw a 1 1/2 guard on, lever all the way open, and then we'll take it all the way up to the crown area. A little bit even above the crown, because I got length, right? I got length with the adjustment, so I could take it up a little above the crown. And then again, I'll blend my way down with that. And then the other side, we're gonna do the same thing. Same steps, we're gonna run through this. So for those of you that wanna attract clients, keep them in charge more, and I hope that all of y'all, y'all watching videos by me, and y'all know the brand is the Rich Barber, so that is exactly what you should be after. I'm giving away my free book, The Rich Barber Method, How to Attract Clients, Keep Them in Charge More. You can get it free instantly by clicking the link in below and download the ebook right to your phone, and you can dive right into it. This book has been instrumental in many people's, thousands of people's success in the barber industry. I first dropped it in 2019, and since then it's been really changing the game for a lot of people. So I want to give it away free to y'all for rocking with me. I want to make sure that those who don't have access to the information in the other countries like Nigeria, South Africa, Brazil, Colombia, Canada, anywhere, if you want this book, you can have it. Click the link in the description, download it, dive right into it. Make sure you give me some feedback. Leave me a comment as soon as you start diving into it, or as soon as you complete it. Let me know what you think, or let me know what you've learned that was change your whole mindset or perspective on what you do and the possibilities. All right, so do that for me, and you can have a book, link in the description, and yeah, go get it. Now we're gonna hit him with the razor. Now we're gonna enhance the cut a little bit. Use the Enhanced Pro Barber Kit 2. This has the whole spray, the application pump, the fibers, and the clear application card. We're gonna apply that to the hairline. We're using black with him. We're gonna keep it light, keep it looking natural. He pretty much has a full hairline, so we're gonna just enhance it and just give it that full look. These fibers were designed so that you can follow up with the trimmers without it getting cakey and balling up while you do it, right? It'll still keep that sharp, clean look with very little cleanup, especially when you use a clear application card to keep as much fibers off the forehead as possible. Follow up with the trimmers, line that up, make it pop. And we got him right, he clean. Final look. Mid fade, kept the man bun, we ain't even touched that. We just laid it down a little bit with some gel. And you know what I mean? You can see his reaction, he feeling it. Put him in the game. It's Chuka the Barber, I'm out. YouTube, what's good? It's Chuka the Barber here. I want to thank y'all for helping me hit 200,000 subscribers. We couldn't have done it without y'all. We're going to keep it popping, all right? So like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Help me hit that 300K, all right? I'm here giving y'all good game knowledge and information 3 times a week. I'm out. Peace.